Which should be good now. Here we go, man. I think we are rocking and rolling, everyone. Yeah, we should be rocking and rolling, everybody. All right, gang. How we doing, everybody? What is going on, y'all? Yo, Azura, you are first. You are first even on here, buddy. I appreciate you, man. I really, really do, buddy. Loon, S. Robson, Royal T, Neil Thomas, Compton King, Cheyenne. What's up, buddy? Anil, Cheyenne, how's Vanguard, man? Bring on the shib. How you doing, Michael? John, Nikki Wood, Art, Mahmood, Joel Jr., Brett Dodds, price target. Sure, we get into that. What's up, Marife? Amanda, I'm first just silent. How you doing, Huggin? What's going on? Ruhula, how's it going? Hey, from Oz, how's it going? Natasha, how you doing? Joppy Sick, first time. Well, happy to have you here. Whose first time is it here, man? Pratik, how's it going? Shaka, Juan, Birch Vanguard. Oh, nice downloading. Rob P, what's up? Of course, Neil Thomas, of course. Caesar, cool live stream. Appreciate it, Randy. Harrison, is it good to buy? Sure, we can get into that. First time. Oh, first time. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you all coming by. Hi from Australia. How you doing, Jenny? R-Dub, what's going on, guys? If you all can do me the biggest favor, guys, and just smash this like button, guys, that would help me so much, and we will get right into things, folks. I'm telling people in the Discord that we are live on YT course, and if you guys are not, first time, awesome. Well, yeah, guys, smash this like button. We're gonna get into a lot of SHIB stuff. What do you guys want me to talk about? You guys want a price target? Logan, Marcus, for Rob P, first time live chat. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Well, hey, if you guys are not already in the Discord, folks, join Discord. What about circulation problems? Sure, we can talk about that. Sure. Hey, what's up, Soccer? What's up, King? How we doing? Join up on the Discord, everybody. SHIB future price. Okay, supply. Chat, drop your likes. Hey, you bet. Let me know when you guys have dropped a like on the stream. Okay, so supply issue. Again, we're at 549 trillion right now. And essentially, all the SHIB team is saying that we should be at a lot lower. They're saying that we should be at a lot lower of a supply that is still left in circulation. Robinhood, I think in the next 3 months or so, we'll see Robinhood. Love from India. How you doing, Rocky? What's going on? Appreciate it. So you want to look at the daily price chart? What do you guys think? Taste test is pretty good. This is black raspberry. This is quite good. How you doing, Marioko? How's it going? I want to buy more if a dip's going to be happening. Matt, I did use a different picture of myself. I did. I can prove it. What about Doge? Doge looks like it's getting ready to friggin' explode. Yeah, man. There's a new picture. Look. See? I changed from this to like this sort of just like smiling kind of face, you know? So, yeah. Anyways, Dogecoin looks like it is ready to literally explode. But brought to you by Buff Doge. They're probably paying someone. Hey, Loon with the 5. You did call that. I believe you did call that in the last stream, didn't you? Appreciate the love, Loon. Thank you so much. Much love, Loon. Should I sell now and buy it back at lower price? With SHIB? Hard to tell. It does look like we're gonna have a little bit of a slip. It's hard to tell whether or not it's worth gambling your current position. Next, SHIB, I like a lot. I love Samo on the Solana blockchain. I love, well, I don't love this one, but Cheems looks like it was okay at one point. I don't really know exactly much about that. I love Woof. This has a real use case here on the Solana blockchain. Sold a lot of it early, which is upsetting me, but yeah. Love from India. How you doing, Harsh? What's going on? Price target, sure. So, realistically, with something like this, guys, what it is, only thing wrong is circulation. Yeah, circulation supply here definitely is a problem. So, what a lot of people were discussing, and again, like, looks to be kind of important in this situation, is the fact that this looks like a cup and handle. So again, we have, you know, the idea here would be, should you suck your own toes? That's up to you, my man. Yeah, Soccer, I'm waiting for that. Well, I'm not. I'm no mentor, Jayant. But the circular supply issue, it's a problem. I mean, I don't really know who's correct, whether or not it's the SHIB team or CoinMarketCap. It's hard to say who's being accurate here. Wealth Simple, is that an exchange or something? So, what this looks like is a cup handle explosion. Boom. Well, it was a holy pyro there. It was an inverted cup and handle. See, we have the inverted cup here, inverted cup, a little bit of a handle, and then, you know, bearish movement. But now it's looking like a real cup and handle. So you guys see what I'm saying? Thoughts on circulating supply? Again, it definitely does look like it's a current issue. I don't know who's right, to be honest with you. Favorite gaming coins? Absolutely love Mana. One of my longest positions, one of my all-time favorites. Love Mana. Other gaming coins that I like? Oh, God. Star Atlas I don't have, but I'm going to hate myself one day for not having. Star Atlas I definitely have liked for a while. How you doing, games, bro? What's going on? So, yeah, there are definitely a few out there. Between the two dog coins, Ben Rose, I really don't know. I don't know why Dogecoins and Dogecoin fans and SHIB fans don't like each other. It's weird. Mana been doing great. It has. What's up, Jason Shu? Price picture for tomorrow? I see it sliding a little bit more before having another bull run again. This is what I personally see, because I believe that, again, this is a cup handle and then a surge. What could be the effects if the whale that withdrew recently sold? Pretty bad. 100x potential. I don't know about 100x. Sandbox. Yeah, a lot of people tell me about that. I do like that. And I don't know if this really counts as gaming. I like Sandbox. I don't have it, but I like it. I don't know if this counts as gaming, but Chili's definitely does look good as well. How much Doge can Doge reach 70 cents? Yeah, I mean, I can see Doge reach 70 cents. But meme coins with 100x potential, I don't know about 100x potential, but looks like a V pattern. Well, let's see V pattern. Oh, you mean like a head and shoulders, you mean? So, falls down, up here, pull back. Well, you know what? With a V shape like this, it kind of has the same kind of movement. A V shape like this has kind of the same movement as a cup and handle. You're saying this is... Yeah, I mean, every one of these V charts do kind of have the same V chart. I mean, this is showing bearish, but the majority of these V charts are showing that it'll be slightly more bearish in the short term, but then in long term, it'll also be, because you have your pullback. I mean, it's kind of the same thing as a cup and handle, to be honest with you. It's similar. But yeah, by Christmas, I could see us shaving off a zero, hitting up here by Christmas. I could see that happening if things go according to plan. How you doing, Kimo Wan? What's happening? V-Chain doing good? How's V-Chain doing? It's doing all right. Yeah, it's up a little bit. If you have 2 million shibs and it reaches 0.001, Mr. Million question. I mean, do you have it on like an exchange or something? How you doing, GK? What's going on? What is happening, guys? Make sure, if you've not already, folks, to follow me over on Twitter, guys. Oh yeah, happy Diwali. I heard that was a holiday for, I believe, India. Happy Diwali for anybody that is celebrating or whatnot. Mr. Million Questions, I was asking, do you have your crypto on like an exchange? Because that you would probably sell once you have that. Let's go, Brandon, baby. Let's go, Brandon. Jasmine, I love the concept of. But yeah, here's the Twitter, guys. Drop it a follow, folks. Drop it a follow. Much love, Pratik. Much love. Jasmine is it did not like get typed for whatever reason. It's down, but I do believe in this long term. What's up, Priyanka? How's it going? Doge line is popping off. Cup and handle means getting ready to boom. Yes. Record a YouTube video right now on Flare. I should, right? What can we talk about? Oh, we do the two current you know, patterns, whatever, like the V pattern and then the cup and handle patterns. It's looking like both are pretty wise. Hey, how's it going? HGN, how you doing? Why is price going down? Well, it looks like, again, we're getting ready for sort of a natural slide, which would come with just about any movement. No shave November, keep the beard. Nah, I don't know. I used to have a beard, but it started bothering me. I don't know why. I need to put on my fan, man. It's like oh, all right. Price prediction once on Robinhood. I could easily see it shaving off a 0 easily on Robinhood. Guys, make sure if you guys aren't ready again to follow the Twitter. No beard still lit. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Here is the Twitter. VThor token. Haven't heard of that one. VThor. This is like another VeChain kind of alternative. Well, I guess it's tied to VeChain. Again, what's up, Johnny Boy? How you doing? It looks like Kraken again had issues. I think it's kind of messed up to leave them bad reviews. That's pretty bad. I'm sorry. It feels pretty bad. I've used Uniswap. How you doing, Unknown? What's going on? Guys, make sure to drop a like on the stream, folks. Drop a like here, guys. Respond to some people in Discord. Make sure to drop a like, guys. It does help me. Mana going up. You bet. You bet Mana going up. You absolutely bet. You bet. Drop a like, folks. That does help, guys. Thank you very much. Tomorrow morning price? Again, I can see like a kind of slide like this, you know what I mean, into the morning, something like this, on the way down and before having a bullish movement. New investor, if you're a new investor, I would do two things. Not a financial advisor, but double my bag at 40. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You would send the screenshot on Discord if you have a prediction you want to send. Mana is a decentralized, like, metaverse kind of thing. Ethereum 2.0 looks awesome. Ryan James Johnson, I appreciate that, man. You can send me a screenshot on Discord or, you know, Twitter if you want. Discord probably better for now because I could show it on stream. But yeah, Ethereum 2.0 definitely does look good. Who is new tonight, folks? Who is new? Whose first time is here, guys? Let me know, guys. Will it reach $1? Will it reach $1? No, it will not reach $1. Bone and Leash are in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, so they kind of work together. You're dumb if you invest in Meta. Vehemently disagree. Ukbot, Unknown, Aaron, Joppy, hi from Cayman, missed a million questions. Let's go, Brandon, baby. First time here. Hi, Brian. How you doing? Zach, S. Robson. I appreciate everybody. And Neil, first time. Logan Clark. Oh my God, so many people here. Is Shiba dying? No, I don't think it is. Ryan James, first time chatting with you. William, happy Diwali, everybody. Happy Diwali. So happy to have you all here, guys. So happy. I did sell some Mana at $4.10. So I was happy about that. I rebought it at $3.50. So first time Eddie, awesome. But yeah, guys, it is so nice to have you all here. Perry, it's like an inside joke. You could Google that if you figure out what that is. Johnny Boy, shout out to Johnny Boy, man. Hey, I love you. Hey, Metallica, of course, Mike. Kraken looks like they delayed the Shiba Inu listing, so again, you know, it's kind of unfortunate. I mean, maybe they did have some genuine issues. Bushan, first time, awesome. Guys, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, guys. I do these streams every single day. I answer all your questions. Ben Rose, I appreciate it. Polygon's great, working to scale Ethereum, of course. Robinhood will be listing it, you know, soon. 0.0006 when it hits Robinhood. So you're putting one less zero in front, a 10x. That might be a little tough. Move it from Chainlink to Mana. Well, I don't know if Meta is going to be just like Mark Zuckerberg. I do think it's a little bit more to it. Yes, I dislike Mark Zuckerberg as much as the next guy, but happy to have you here, Bushan. Ukbot, subscribe. Thank you so much. Nice to appreciate you. Now, Loom with the 5 again. I appreciate it. Meeting is Shib live and Robinhood cracking will peak, drop a 0. Just I mean, hey, I hope that's the case, Loon. Hopefully, that'd be awesome. Very hard, but anything is possible, I suppose. What's going on, Webull? I do not think SHIB will hit a cent or a dollar, personally. And to Sandman, hey. On Mana, buying the top, unfortunately, on something like that is tough. Again, what do I think could happen tomorrow, or what, like, is currently happening? Well, again, it looks like it's getting ready to either follow like a V pattern. We have like a bottom V, and then we head up, and then have kind of like a couple more kind of jagged kind of lines. Something like this is what's possible, or what I see even more is a cup handle explosion. Something like this. So again, we have a cup, we have a handle, and now we're waiting for the bull run. So XYO. Don't they do all the meme coins? Doesn't XYO do all, or that's Tezos. That's Tezos, isn't it? What is XYO? I remember looking at this. I mean, it looked good. I just I couldn't really figure out what it was doing. I couldn't figure out what that coin actually does. Got listed on Kate X exchange. Yeah, Tezos is layer 1. Right. Bop to the top. Okay. I said it for you. Perry. XYO is the coin app. That's really 10K. Wow. That's pretty like some kind of a farming or staking and whatnot. XYO wallet. I bought in SHIB at around a tenth of what it is right now. Beat the record price. It may, Zed. I could see it getting very, very close. Chainlink will move. Chainlink tends to move like inverse Bitcoin. I don't really know why. Whenever I guess there are more like multi-chain and whatnot they're trying to do, I guess. Smart contracts. I mean, again, I don't know. Whenever there are like integrations and like smart contract deployments, I guess become more popular, I suppose. I guess they're working with Celsius. I mean, yeah, whenever any of their like integrations actually like pops off, again, this Chainlink is one of the most like technical cryptos. If you're not like a crypto like developer or whatnot, I do find it kind of difficult to understand exactly what Chainlink is doing, but I do know they're pretty revolutionary. Like, you have two kinds of crypto investors. You have like the like computer engineer, like I know everything about the blockchain person, but then you also have like someone who's just like an investor and likes to invest in assets. That's more me. Like, I like to invest in stocks, crypto. I'm not a blockchain expert, but rather someone who likes to invest in assets, and I see crypto as a good asset. Outside information to come into a decentralized space. Okay. If you do a driving job, well, how does driving integrate with that, HGN? What is that? What does that have anything specifically to do with driving? Floyd, what's up, buddy? What's up? That's actually really interesting. Ranson, welcome back. You're new here, Ryman. Happy to have you here. Circulation issue? Yeah, so it looks like... how you doing, Alia? So it looks like, again, someone is not telling the truth. Either CoinMarketCap or the actual SHIB guys are not telling the truth in regards to circulation. We will hold and buy dips and low amounts. It's been $15 on Netflix. I mean, hey... I think there's a happy medium to enjoying recreation. Squid token, I think that was a rug. Wait, how you doing, Shivank? What's going on? Will Tesla or Amazon use SHIB? I don't think Amazon, but Tesla had it in their code. That's sick. That's actually sick, HGN. That's actually sick. And it's free? That is sick. Yeah, apparently they're not taking into account the burn wallet. Hey, Floyd, you bet, bro. You bet, man. Hey, Life with Maine, I appreciate the 2. Squidonomics. Very low volume market cap. They're up a lot. Squid Game to Life. I mean, this may have potential. I don't know. Again, very volatile. Very, very volatile. Check my email. Which email did you send anything to, Ryan? Is it the email on this YouTube channel, Ryan? Which I'm just curious which email you sent to. Is it the one on this? Do I have one on this, like on the about section and whatnot? Oh yeah, I do. Okay, I do. Was just wondering. New assets that will raise the price, like Shiba Inu. I don't pay anything. I'm max $100 a month. Wow. So because you drive like that, that's crazy. That is crazy. That's awesome. Surge Inu, I don't know much about that. I don't really follow that. Is it wise to sell a portion in peaks? Sure. Yeah. Take profits. Yeah. I'm part Italian, but no, I do not speak it. No, I'm born in America. The Italian is way back. Crafted Element, happy to have you. I appreciate it. How about you, D True Styles? Where are you from? I think SHIB might hit a penny. I do not think Shiba Inu will hit a penny. It's just too difficult. It might hit a 1/10 of a penny. Solana, I love it. Solana is one of my all-time favorite things. And if you guys are interested in Solana, I advise checking out. Hey, you subscribed. I appreciate you, Yen. You look very beautiful. Thank you. I appreciate that. Guys, check out my Solana channel. Here it is, baby. Solana, Mana. If you guys are interested in Mana or Solana, guys, I do a ton of stuff on this channel about all that. So, again, if you guys like Mana or Solana, check out NFT Kings, guys. And let me know once you guys have subbed here. Let me know you all have subbed here. Solana is God tier. I wave my hands like an Italian. You're Italian, too? I love it. Yeah, Garbarino. That's pretty Italian. Follow the Twitter, guys, as well. Follow the Twitter, guys. Hey, Mike. Congratulations, Mike Atkinson. Hope it all goes well, man. Shibtalica. Gotta love Solana. Will Shib rise more? You're from Los Angeles, America. Gotcha. CRO. Apparently they're doing pretty good stuff, building their own ecosystem. Be back later. Awesome. Robinhood should come in within around 3 months. Play to earn games, like crypto-wise, that I actually don't know about. Hey, I appreciate it, HGN. Thank you so much. Much love. NFTs? The first thing you do to get into NFTs, watch my NFT channel, baby. No, seriously, you guys would enjoy these videos. But actually, to get into NFTs, definitely do your research on Solana versus Ethereum NFTs. I think Solana ones are much better. They also have Tezos and Cardano, but Cardano NFTs are kind of hard to come by these days. I don't really know why, but they have a hard time launching them or whatnot. So, bit by a mosquito in here. I don't know how I got bit by a mosquito in here, but this guy must be hanging out in here. Hey, Bushan, good morning to you. It will probably not hit a penny, guys. Cryptopolis. I feel like someone showed me this. Who showed me this? Someone showed me this. Kishu. I got a bit of Kishu. I bet you it's up, isn't it? Yeah, it's up a good deal. Nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. A 1/10 of a penny is possible, I think. It's, again, very hard, but... Can I search Ethereum punks? Wait, what do you mean? OpenSea is probably the best thing. How you doing, Rob? What's going on? Welcome. You read fast. Gotta try to keep up here, Anthony. I appreciate it. The play to earn stuff seems interesting. Kind of curious how it's going to play out. Yeah, lowering the lifespan of your hardware definitely is a problem with mining things. Two Clips, how you doing? What's going on? Exploded. Yeah, that happens, Devesh. It's hard to beat yourself up over missed opportunities. I'll tell you something I did that irritated me. I had Woof. I got this at a seventh of what it is right now. I had it at 0.0005. So I had it at 1/7 of what it is right now. And I sold like half of it when it hit 20, which I'm kind of mad about. But Shiba Inu's ceiling, I mean, really, what we have to kind of work through is kind of this like kind of line of resistance from really to kind of get into new like territory. But I mean, I could see us hitting, shaving off a 0 for sure by the end of the year with a Robinhood listing. Hey, Angela, welcome. I appreciate it. Why am I up so late? Because this job does not sleep. This job does not sleep. Brisbane, Australia, how you doing? What's going on? I've not heard of that, Angela. Her holding on to 34 million SHIB. Will it reach a cent? Probably not. How you doing, Chris Polo? Boof, what's up, buddy? How you been, man? Boof, my dude, how are you, buddy? Going up tonight? I think it's going down tonight, personally. Hi from Australia. How you doing, John? What's happening, buddy? I see it headed down tonight, just a little bit more. And that's fine. That's healthy. That's normal. That's healthy. That's normal. I see us heading down a little bit more. Maybe like something like this. And then, boom. Bull run. That is what I see. Just chilling randomized. CRO looks good. You have 7 grand that you put into SHIB. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you what to put money into. However, I would have a nice even spread. I would invest into a good diversity of cryptos. What's the RSI saying? Great question. RSI is telling us we are... How you doing, Vino? What's happening? Hey, guys, we got around 800 people here right now. If you guys could all do me a favor, guys... Can we all mash this like button, baby? Just mash this like button. If we all could just mash this like button, you guys, again, this is my job right now, so every like does help, guys. Even just hitting this like button just a little bit would help me immensely get into the algorithm and whatnot. So again, if you guys want to, help me, kind of keep this going, to be a full-time YouTuber, I would appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. A like and a subscribe always does help, folks. Ethereum Classic, sure. My buddy got Ethereum Classic a long time ago. Now, I really can't tell you why it's so it's on Binance. Who wants to decentralize? Okay. What is the main difference between Classic and regular Ethereum? I appreciate it, Devesh. There's your like. Thank you. Thank you so much. Biden trigger on Doge? Sure. Favorite movie? I love the Lord of the Rings franchise. I love the Star Trek franchise, Lord of the Rings franchise. I also have a movie called Ghost. I love a movie called K-Pax. I love Scarface, Terminator franchise, Matrix franchise. A few things. Yeah, who wants what my blockchain expert people here. What is the main difference between Ethereum Classic and regular Ethereum? Yeah. Regular Ethereum's going to 2.0, and then Classic is staying on the old, I think. I think that's the way it's going to work. Hey, Sam, I got you an explanation. Oh, of course, original series, next gen, DS9, Voyager. Target ship today? Sure. We'll do that for sure. 600,000 Doge in August. That sucks, Floor. That sucks, man. A buying price on Doge, I mean, to be honest with you, somewhere around like maybe 24 cents, 25 cents, because it looks like it's been consolidating for a while. Gandalf looks into the future and SHIB hits 20 cents. What incident caused Ethereum and Ethereum Classic to split? from Melbourne, Australia. Hey, Josh, I'm sorry what you guys are going through, man. Josh Martinez, I'm so sorry. I feel so bad for you guys, man. Renato, first time here. Happy to have you. Star Wars, I'm much more of a Star Trek fan. Yeah, Josh, my sympathies to you guys. I don't know how that happened to you guys. Much love, Josh. VeChain, again, it looks like one of the only cryptos that's being like accepted by China and stuff. So, I mean, King David. How do I join the Discord? You click on the pinned link. The pinned link here on the Discord. Scandal which was resolved by repaying someone, changing the blockchain which made a fork. I like to always sharpen up my knowledge on these things. Diverges into two paths. Because a lot of this stuff, this is my weakest. Like, I don't know if you guys agree. Stuff like this is my weakest point. Like, I can read a chart and say, you know, where things going, and I have a rough idea of what any crypto I look at is going to do. But the actual intricacies of the blockchain, I like to learn as much as possible. And I like to learn with you guys. New York City, how you doing, Thorowis? How's it going? Half a penny? Possible. Very hard. I see more like a tenth of a penny. How you doing, Ferris? Change the protocol makes previously invalid blocks and transactions valid or vice versa. Okay. Latest version protocol software. So a hard fork is a radical change of the blockchain that results in two branches. One that follows the old, one follows the new. Okay, so that one's Ethereum Classic, one's regular. Okay. Hard fork, holders of the tokens, the original will be granted tokens in the new fork as well. Verifying a hard fork in the current blockchain. This is a lot of like head work, you know what I mean? A dime in the next 5 years? No, I don't think SHIB gets above a cent. Andrew, normal SHIB pump, of course. End of the year, I can see us shaving off a 0 for sure. Can I buy a SHIB now? Is it worth it? Again, that is up to you guys. But, you know, I predict that within the next, you know, personally, I predict within the next little bit, we get something like this and then something like this. That's my guess. Between blockchain megabytes or blocks. Cardano, I know they had issues deploying their smart contracts. So, latest news, sure. What's going on, Throat? How you doing? Yeah. So basically, we're just talking about the fact this looks like a cup and handle pattern, something like this, and then boom, bullish, something like this. This is kind of where my head is at with this right now. It's kind of what I'm seeing. The DAO hack, okay. SHIB getting close to Doge market. SHIB will probably overtake Doge market cap. VeChain already has a very high market cap. But yeah, I love the info on Ethereum versus Ethereum Classic. The reason where I'm getting this rise from is because when we look at two things, we look at a V pattern. We head up, a little bit of pullback, bullish. This is a V-shaped kind of like recovery. And then we also have a cup and handle chart, which, you know, is kind of the same thing. You have the cup, handle, bullish. In this instance, it went bearish, but most of the time it does go bullish in that you have the cup, handle, bullish. XYO in the middle of cup and handle too. XYO, do I need to add that to my bag? This on Coinbase? Coinbase, Gate, KuCoin. I mean, this looks nice. Not really. I mean, this looks quite nice. 7 day, it's been doing pretty hot. So cup, handle, get ready for some pullback, and then stonks always go up. New burn mechanisms to SHIB? I hope so. You're a subscriber. I appreciate it, Pack Nation. Much love. Put on SHIB to get a decent return. Again, it's hard. It's hard to say. Depends on how long of a haul you're in for, but I would do a diverse spread. I'd get a little SHIB, little Doge, Ethereum, Solana. I feel like in a year from now, that collection would be worth more than it is today. The original Ethereum current Ethereum fixed it. Immutable henceforth. Wow, Christian. So we have to take, really, when it comes to like crypto things like that, we really have to take all that stuff at face value. Hey, Alphonse P. Rodriguez, new subscriber. I appreciate it. Floyd with the 5. Much love, dude. I appreciate it, man. But you know what I mean? Like with crypto, like technology related stuff, you could explain something to me, and like I'll get it at face value. But you really have to be like a coder, like a software engineer to really get, I think, the intricacies of the like blockchain like that. 3 SHIB get you now? You'd have to probably do a calculator for that, but I do not think it is too late. I think we're entering a good buy zone probably the next few hours here. You could set a limit buy at, 52 maybe and go to sleep. You know what I mean? That's what I would do probably if it was me. Not a financial advisor, but I see a little bit of a slip and then maybe some bullish movement. Again, I could be wrong. Could always be wrong. Yeah, so it looks as if, again, the MACD, they're about to recross. Of course, Isaiah, of course. So it looks like these are about to recross, which would be bearish. Again, right, buying this minute will probably cause a short-term decrease. I see it again headed down and then headed up. That's me. KRL, up a lot. Market cap is itty bitty. What do they do? They're a trading platform. What do you do? So what do? You bet on. I cannot. What are you betting on? Quinoa? I don't. I just do not get this. It's like a trading platform. I get that, but I mean, yeah, this looks good. This XYO definitely looks good as well. I know we were talking about that earlier. I'll probably add a bit of a small bag of XYO soon. I could see a I can see the cup forming. Cup, handle, cup, yeah, cup, handle, downtrend, explosion. I could see something like that with XYO as well. A lot of paper hands in the chat. Someone got robbed of Ethereum. Vitalik solution was to recode it. Okay, gotcha. Interesting. Well, hey, it looks like Vitalik's solution is the one that's succeeding, I guess, right? SHIB long term, 5 to 10 years. Hey, Jesse with the $1. Much love, Jesse. I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. SHIB long term, 5 to 10 years. That's just so hard to tell. But we'll probably have been through multiple bull markets, multiple bear markets. Maybe 1/10 of a cent. It's possible. Anything can happen in 5 to 10 years, man. It's so long. But guys, make sure to check out my Mana and Decentraland channel. Make sure to check it out. Someone learned something new coming out for everything. Hey, I'm seeing them a lot tonight, Oscar. I don't know. Must be my new favorite pattern, man. But yeah, guys, NFT Kings, drop a sub. The link is in the chat, guys. If you guys want to learn more about Solana or Mana, check it out, guys. Would love to have you all over there, man. Do you guys want me to record a video talking about my my overall thoughts on exactly what Shiba Inu here is doing? You guys want to live record a YouTube video, man? What do you say? You want to live record a video? Yes? Awesome. 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 Let's do it. So I'm gonna record a video here. That, by the way, guys, follow my Twitter. Link is in the chat. AMC just accepted SHIB. AMC SHIB. Is this like brand new? No, I'm not seeing any brand new news. I'm not seeing anything brand new, man, with that. But all right, man. So we will I didn't see anything brand new on Twitter. Jesse with another $1. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you, my man. I didn't see anything brand new with that. I mean, I saw it from like a couple days ago. Love the videos. Thank you, Perry. I appreciate it. Monica hit $6 easily. Easily. Can you say something to me? Sure. Sure. More from here in short term, Mana or SHIB. I mean, yeah, I definitely do think they'll be going up here in the short term. MetaHero, I feel like we talked about MetaHero. What did Metaverse? Yeah, I mean, again, this could be good for like a 6-month or a 3-month hold for sure. But yeah, definitely again, SHIB and Mana will go up more for the short term, week to week. Yeah, I definitely think short term they could be doing very, very well, and long term too. You know. What's up, Trap Lord? How you doing? Welcome back, buddy. Astro Lord. Astro Swap. Sorry, Astro Swap. I don't know. Space. Cardano. Okay. It's got potential for sure. For sure. Staking, yeah. Definitely looks good to me. All right, folks. We are going to record a so cup and handle pattern. All right, guys, we are going to record a YouTube video. YouTube video in progress. All right, guys. So again, if you're watching and you don't know what I'm doing, I'm just about to record a YouTube video. Before I do, guys, make sure to drop a like, mash this like button, guys. If you guys want to help me keep this as my job, keep this as my career. Again, I would appreciate if you guys could mash this like button. That would mean the world, guys. That would help immensely. That would help immensely, guys. Mashing this like button to help me keep this my job, man. But yeah, guys. All right, so we are going to record a video, and I will go over my thoughts on, again, these two patterns here that we can see. So V bottom, entry, retest. Okay, great. All right, so we are getting ready to record right now. Can I be your assistant? I'll bring you coffee. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Recording a YouTube video in progress. Copy and paste my little message there if you guys could. Recording a video in progress. All right, guys. What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, and welcome back to Crypto Kings. In today's video, we're going to talk about exactly what Shiba Inu is doing right now. I know so many people have been asking me about this, and I really feel like it's worth mentioning. So if you guys are new, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the number one question that I've been getting on my live streams and whatnot is, Matt, when should I buy SHIB? Should I buy SHIB right now? And that's a very hard question to answer because I think, in my opinion, for one, I'm not a financial advisor, but two, when it comes down to it, I think it depends really on when you previously entered SHIB. So if you entered SHIB at, a very, very high price, are you looking to dollar cost average down? If so, that might be a good idea. If you bought really, really cheap and, maybe don't want to raise your dollar cost average that much and want to wait and just let it kind of ride a little bit more before taking some profits, then hey, that's up to you. Really what it comes down to, in my opinion, is when you purchased. And right now, for the people who purchased all the way up here, I think they may be feeling just a little bit better right now, because what essentially this looks like to me is the possibility of being two different patterns. So the first pattern that I see here is a sort of general V pattern. There's no real specific name for this, but V bottom seems to be the most colloquial usage of this. But essentially, we have the bottom here that we hit, and then it leads to some kind of bullish momentum, a little bit of pullback, and you guys see here a little bit of pullback, same kind of thing, and then more bullish momentum. So, you could watch this again, same thing here. We have a V, we have a little bit of a pullback, and then a bullish move. And this is something that I see being very, very possible. But when it comes down to it, it is also perhaps possible that we could be seeing something similar, but not exactly the same. And that is a cup and handle pattern, which you guys can see here, of course, is very similar. It has kind of the same idea, only it's a little bit more rounded here at the bottom. So we have the rounding, we have the handle, and then the explosion. I've been using cup and handle so much recently because I'm seeing a ton of them. A few days ago, we saw, what looked to be, again, an inverted cup and handle where we have it upside down, and oh my goodness, bear market mode, fear, FUD, whatnot. And now it looks as if we are seeing the opposite. So what we're looking for, remember, is we are looking for this shape. We're looking for something like this, a cup and a handle. And of course, after that, you're probably going to get some kind of bullish kind of move. So this is what we're looking for, right? So again, this movement here doesn't exactly fit into a cup. It's a little bit taller here on the right and a little bit more jagged, but in general, I would say you could classify this as a cup and handle. And again, I could see it slipping a little bit more, perhaps into the mid or lower 50s, and then having more bullish movement, perhaps going into the 70s again. So again, that is one option. Or of course, we have the single bottom kind of V option here, which again would lead to a little bit of pullback, which you're in right now, and a bullish move. So it really doesn't matter however you want to classify this. Again, it's a little bit too jagged to be a cup, and it's a little bit too rounded to be a straight V. So it's really somewhere in between. But again, that doesn't really matter, because to me, I definitely see this being something that looks bullish. And regardless of charting patterns and whatnot, I think on a basic like human psychological level, like when you look at this, you can see very, very clearly that we in multiple instances here, again, challenged this potential low here right at around 43. We challenged it. We passed the test twice. We stayed above it. Same thing. We headed down a little bit, bounced off 45, bounced off 46, bounced off around 49. So there definitely does look to be, again, some strength in the fact that the community here is consistently bouncing off what looks to be higher spots. And that's the reason why any rounded top is typically considered pretty bad, is because the spots you're bouncing off of are getting a little bit lower. And that obviously is not particularly good. When we check the relative strength index, which you guys can see here, of course, on the screen, the relative strength index is going to show us exactly what is going on right now with the volume. So again, we peak, we get a little bit above what is considered to be normal by the relative strength index, again, getting into the 70s. So we get above, a little bit above what is considered to be normal, around 64, 65-ish. Then we head down, encroaching the middle again, which, is, again, completely fine. There is a very low amount of sell volume right now, which is great. And we are entering, again, what looks close to be right around the middle. So very stable. I could see it heading down a little bit more here as part of this little handle or retracement or whatever you want to call it. We really can see what looks to be a downward slide, and then the potential for what, in my opinion, could be another bullish move. So what would be the smartest thing to do in this instance? Again, not a financial advisor, but, in this particular instance, if I was looking to find an entry spot, I would definitely just set a limit buy order at, maybe 52, 53, something like that, 54 maybe, and go to bed. That's it. Again, the idea of catching the bottom, the very, very, very bottom, is kind of difficult. I think the simpler answer is just to try to catch what you can and get as close to whatever the bottom is as possible. And that, of course, can be predicted through some charting measures. When we check the Fibonacci retracement, of course, you guys can see it is going to tell us exactly, what this is looking like from the low to the high of the most recent run. So we have the low here, it's right around 43 again, which it is proven to be strong enough to resist. We have right here around the 43, all the way to the top here around 65. And essentially, when it, broke past this 43, it succeeded in moving past all of these lines. It didn't really have any issues getting all the way to the top of the Fibonacci retracement here. And now the idea is that we are at the 23.6% line. And the question is, will it or will it not be able to sustain itself? And it looks like it's not going to win. It looks as if it is not going to, sort of consolidate over the 23.6% line, which is expected. That is fine, because what it comes down to is that we are able to have a little bit of pullback after this kind of swoop here. We have a little bit of pullback. That is fine, because again, we've made the cup in this instance. We have created this. Now we have to wait for the handle, which of course could lead to a bullish move. That is just based off of a previous trading pattern. If you wanted to say same thing, we have a V outline and we want to wait for, the pullback after the V and then, the surge, you could say the exact same thing. So In both situations, it is looking a little bit bullish. And this is the first time here in a few days, I don't really see a very bearish scenario. The only bearish scenario I could see is if we fall like all the way below the 78.6% line, we keep falling through and perhaps, retest this 43 line. That would be absolutely awful. But I just don't see this kind of a situation happening. I see, either falling through and, awful bearish mode, or we manage to have a very normal pullback and then a surge. So I see this option being the most likely, considering, again, I just think there are way too many people who will ape in at 50 if we were to hit 50 that would not let it once again get down to 43. I think the restoration to 65 today provided enough sort of general sentiment and enough faith in, the crypto to be able to keep it away from 43 for a good while. So with that being said, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section where you guys think, of course, Shiba Inu is going to go within the next week. Make sure to follow me here on Twitter, guys, Matt Garbarino. Definitely check that out. And again, I definitely do see a situation in which Dogecoin is able to be overtaken by SHIB once again, because Doge really is ready for a breakout in a sense as well. But I definitely do see a scenario where Shiba Inu is able to overtake this in market cap again. So that is that. Thank you all for watching. Peace. All right, guys, the video is done. So yeah, the stream's still going. If you're new, I was just filming a video, guys. I was filming a video. So yeah, stream's still going. How we doing, everybody? A video and a live stream. I know that must be your first, right? That must be your first. How'd it go? How'd it go? I look good, everybody? I look good? Nice job. Thank you, Jordan. I appreciate that. We are going to throw this in the software and get it going, man. Yeah, I like to do videos live on stream. So, yeah, what are you guys all up to, man? Do you guys agree? Want to take a job? Appreciate it. Joseph, thank you, brother. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. Thought I was watching the video. Gotcha. Voice cadence. Awesome. I appreciate everybody. SVG Nation, I saw that. I know. Not particularly happy about that. Love the shirt. Thank you, Bruce. Metallica, of course. Thank you so much, Chappie. I appreciate that. Soul will reach 400 by January. Yeah, I definitely. Yeah, watch the video again, right? Yeah, I definitely could see that happening for sure. First time, we're happy to have you here, Jeremy. Appreciate you guys being here, man. Let me get that music back on for you all, man, so it's more vibey in here, man. It is more vibey in here now, man. Should be. So yeah, again, what do you guys have questions about, man? Where's the Maiden shirt? I got an Iron Maiden shirt in the other room. Mario's time, yeah. I enjoy it. Tatamani, I saw that. I know. We'll start every sentence. Matthew Truby, keep the good work. Thank you so much, guys. Much love, everyone. Much love, everybody. Get my fan on higher, man. It is cold. It is hot. It is hot in here. I feel like, hey, $5. I appreciate it, Damien. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that, Damien. Were we talking about KRL earlier? Yeah, we were talking about this one earlier. Yeah. Appreciate it, my friend. Thank you, Damien. Love Solana Perry. I love it. Peppercorn Film with the sub. Thank you. Hallowed Be Thy Name, one of my favorite Iron Maiden songs. Love Fear of the Dark as well. Wasted Years. 2 Minutes to Midnight. I have a ceiling fan. It's not that. It's the fact that my camera's in the corner and like the heat kind of kills it. I don't talk about how much I have of like specific things, specific amounts and whatnot. That's just something I don't do. XRP. I'm not like really into XRP. I haven't really watched it trade, so honestly, I can't tell you. Face in the Sand. Is that for the new album or no? I know Maiden came out on the new album. But guys, make sure to follow my Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino. Make sure to drop it a follow. Oh, it's never too early to talk about Christmas, of course. You joined the Discord. Awesome. I'm asking for 50K subs for Christmas, man, on here. If anybody wants to make my Christmas wish come true, drop a like and subscribe. New album, yeah, I heard the new album. His voice still sounds really good. But yeah, guys, here's the Twitter. How does Bitcoin going up affect SHIB? Funny enough, they seem to go inverse now. They used to go symmetrical. Yeah, I stream every night. Joppy, you bet. I look like Michael Jackson. I've never heard that. I appreciate it. He's a good looking dude. Great singer too. Great singer. One of my favorite pop musicians. AS with the $5. I appreciate it so much. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. MKR Maker. Heard of Maker. They're a DAO. Unbiased global financial system. Oh, DAI. They created a stable currency, a stable coin. But yeah, they own that stable coin, don't they? I mean, yeah, this looks pretty good. I mean, if they made that stable coin, have a lot of different exchanges and whatnot. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good to me. I am a musician. Yeah, I play the guitar and the piano. Robert Griffith, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. The fact that SHIB and Bitcoin inverse, I think SHIB took on like the meme coin role a lot more than it used to. SHIB used to be more like a uniswap, where it would let's go Brandon, baby, let's go Brandon. SHIB used to have more of like a uniswap role, where it would roll, you know, as like an exchange, where now SHIB goes more like a meme coin, like goes more, you know what I mean? Which it's not a meme coin. It does have a lot of utility, but people are starting to treat SHIB more like a meme coin. That's my theory. You're a guitar man too, Michigan. You guys want me to analyze mana? Yes or no? What do you guys think? You can mine through KuCoin. Didn't hear about that. SafeMoon? Scammy. Seems scammy. Y'all want to look at mana? Sure. All right, guys. What do you say we record a mana video? What do you say for my other channel? Sure. The people want mana related news, man. The people want mana news, man. Following you on Twitter. Much love. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Here is the Twitter. Yeah, you know what, man? Let's record a mana video, baby. You bet. We have exported. All right. All right, man. Time to talk about a mana video, man. We go to here. All right, gang. I like recording my vids on stream. Sometimes I have more like energy, I have more like juice. After the stream, I get tired. So I feel like my videos aren't as good after stream. But yeah, if you guys copy and paste that a few times, that would be awesome. Okay, we are going to talk about mana. And this is for my NFT Kings channel. So if you guys want to know the channel that I am recording this for, it is for this channel, NFT Kings here. So definitely check it out. Again, we do NFT related stuff over there. So definitely check it out. Check it out. Hey, new here. Happy to have you, Filipino big boy. I appreciate it. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. So, guys, we're recording a YouTube video real quick talking about mana. All right, everybody? We're recording a YouTube video. So if I don't respond to you guys, it's because I'm recording a video. All right? Here we go. Hey everybody, and welcome back to NFT Kings. My name is Matt, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about exactly what is going on with Mana or Decentraland. I know so many people have been looking forward to talking about this, and I really do think it is worth looking into. So if you guys are new, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into it, folks. So if you guys have not already seen exactly what Mana is doing here, man, we're going to check the Mana graph, and really, man, this is awesome because I know so many people who have been wanting to buy in, waiting for a good buy price, and it looks like we already had our good buy spot. And this I actually talked about a couple of videos ago. So if you guys bought during that time, hey, congratulations. Again, not a financial advisor, but I did point out that, hey, it looks like 250-ish is going to be right around the bottom for Mana. And it does look as if that was the case. So again, when we look at where this bounced back, 242, 240, 240, 233. Okay, that was a really low one, but for the most part, bouncing around 246. So right below 250, it looks to be bouncing back in all of these instances. But the major thing that I see when I look at Decentraland is, of course, the fact that we have what looks to be a very, very clear symmetrical wedge. And again, it's a little tougher to draw some of these because they don't really always want to cooperate, but you would say it's a symmetrical wedge. If you look one way, you could also say it is a descending wedge, which is, again, another thing. Again, it's really too close to call. They're quite similar when it comes down to it. I could supposedly lean towards the descending wedge, but these lows are really quite close to each other. But really, it is is a bullish movement. The idea here is this is bullish. It is consolidating in a way that, of course, makes it bullish. So that is what I love about Decentraland here, is that, you know, we were able to look at this and say, yeah, it looks like 250 is going to be the spot to buy. This looks like a good time to buy in, and that definitely did seem to be the case. So right after this very, you know, well-predicted symmetrical kind of wedge here, descending wedge, you guys can see we have a nice bullish breakout from 259 all the way up to 291, which is excellent. And right now, we are sort of testing the waters to see, can this continue? Can this continue in a sort of bullish pattern? That is the question here. Really, I mean, it's exited its old pattern. Essentially, we are ready to form and create a brand new pattern here, which, you know, really is the idea, right? So when we check the Fibonacci retracement, you guys can see here over on the screen, it's going to tell us exactly everything we need to know here with this most recent run. So what we have here, of course, is the bottom, which is right around 233, which was very, very low. It's surprising it even hit that, but it did snap back extremely quickly, which you guys can see heads it up to 273. And we quickly are able to bounce off the 61.8% line. You guys can see we bounce off it, back up to 38.2% line, and boom, we propel way past what the Fibonacci retracement had set out for us. So, you know, this is, you know, a very typical, very awesome bullish move, and the Fibonacci retracement was able to, you know, sort of predict this again. I mean, I find the retracement is very, very accurate when it comes to determining a lot of these future movements. And, you know, the buy volume here was very, very high. So when we look at some other indicators, of course, the MACD is going to give us a little bit of an idea. And you guys can see the blue has crossed the red, giving us, you know, what looks to be the good sign on some bullish moves. You know, this very well could change in the near future. But, you know, right now, the blue is on top of the red, which is pretty awesome. So again, lots of green here, lots of bullish moves from the MACD. You know, when it comes to indicators, I really like to check the MA cross as well. Kind of the same thing as the MACD, but again, you guys can see the red is officially back on top, showing some bullish momentum. Now, when we check on the day, guys, again, this is 12% higher than where we were yesterday, which, you know, is a pretty big deal because so many people were saying, oh my goodness, I bought it $4. I bought it $5. Actually, I had some people tell me they bought at $5. Is this going to go down to, you know, 70 cents like it was? And what it looks to me, man, is that Mana has managed to capitalize on all of this new, you know, sort of metaverse hype going on, all of this new metaverse exposure. They've managed to capitalize on that and sustain the hype that, you know, was created for them. Because in a sense, guys, this was not created on their own. This was not, you know, Mana going out, Decentraland going out and saying, yes, we are pioneering the metaverse. No, what really happened was the community got excited about this because of Mark Zuckerberg and Microsoft and all of this. The community got excited about this, and then Mana comes out, and for some reason, it's just propped up by the community. So it's very interesting that they were able to sustain this growth, because when it comes down to it, it's not really known whether or not they will have a close association with Facebook in this instance, or Microsoft. It's not known whether or not they're going to have any association with them. But what Mana has managed to do is capitalize onto the idea, onto the concept of a metaverse, has gotten people interested in investing in meta tokens. And because of that initial one-day run, they've managed to sustain unbelievable growth, which is far beyond what I thought possible. The market cap, of course, is over $5 billion, which, again, compared to where we were just a few months ago, is pretty mesmerizing. And even the volume, guys, I mean, look at this volume here. Absolutely crazy. On the 31st, we had $33 billion worth of volume. I mean, comparing that to the 50 million, you know, is definitely pretty crazy. And right now we are well into the billions. So there is a lot to be said about this change in volume. It is truly impressive. And again, you know, circulating supply, really, guys, not too bad. I mean, seriously, not too bad. There are so many cryptos out there with trillions and quadrillions of, I mean, you know, 1.82 billion, that is not all that bad. And, you know, I definitely do like a lot of the fundamentals with this. When we check decentraland.org, again, you know, a little slow in loading here on the homepage as always, but you know, definitely got a lot going on. They're expanding into the NFT universe. You know, a lot of different things going on. You know, NFT museum here, altcoin radio, lots of in-game wearables, things that people normally would enjoy doing in a video game or whatnot. And they've managed to take this, you know, sort of hype and translate it into crypto. Again, Metaverse Festival, so much going on here that they have been able to capitalize on. It's really amazing. Again, they could have easily fumbled this bag if they wanted to, and they managed to not. So all around, what Mana has done here is incredibly impressive. Speaking of things that are being impressive, I would be very impressed if you guys dropped a follow on my Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino would love to have you guys over there. I really love talking to you guys, communicating with you all over on the Twitter. It is so much fun. So definitely do drop a follow on Matt Garbarino over on Twitter. But yeah, guys, again, hopefully some people are going to bed a little bit happier tonight, because it does look like Mana is going to break past the $3 price target here at some point. I mean, very soon, I would say, because what really could happen is we could see a flag here, a bottom flag, of course, and then, you know, some more kind of jagged movement, and then some more bullish run. Because really, when you have kind of a flag like this, I mean, there's a lot to be said about a crypto flag. Something like this, you know, headed up like this looks to me exactly what Mana could be doing. I mean, we really do have the opportunity here to head up like this, have, you know, some kind of stagnation with these flags here, and then with these like kind of jagged edges here, and then head up into more of a bullish movement. So again, flag pull, the flag, the bull run, and that can kind of be the same thing we're seeing here, you know, with Mana. We have a flag created, a flag, kind of the whole heart of it kind of moving down a little bit, and then the bull run, which, you know, definitely does look to be an option here in this circumstance. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. All right, stream. So yeah, that was a YouTube video. I was just recording for one of my other channels. So if you guys are new, I appreciate you guys hanging out here. I'm still here. I'm still chilling. I'm not ending the stream or anything. That was just me recording a YouTube video. Yeah, Master G, a lot of people wanted to hear me talk about Master G. A lot of people want to hear me talk about Mana, and I figured, you know what, well, I'll record a Mana video while I'm here for one of my other channels. So yeah, I like to record YouTube videos on stream. For some reason, I feel like the energy, like, you guys kind of give me energy to, like, you know, do a good job on those or whatnot. So it's my Mana. Really, the time would have been yesterday. But you know, there might be a good buy opportunity soon near 250. Leash looks good, you know, similar to Shib, a lot lower market cap. You're a guitarist as well. Awesome. Hey, Sus, appreciate it. S, thank you. Prediction for 2022 with Shib. I could see us shaving off a 0 for sure. The one-day chart for Shib. The one-day chart. I mean, the one-day chart ain't bad or anything. It's just, I don't know. It's a little. I feel like this doesn't do much for you, like in terms of information. You know what I mean? No, I don't think Mana is another squid. Lana, which way is Shib headed over the weekend? Again, I could see. Yeah, I like the hour better, guys. I could see, again, us continuing to kind of slide down like this and then head it up. I could see something like that. Dogecoin definitely is getting ready to rally for sure. 58, that's okay. That is okay. I'm expecting it to slide down a little bit. 4s, possible. Would be a little bit further than I would like to see, but we're going forward, Brian. We are. Saitama, looks decent. I don't have it, but looks like one of the decent, like, you know, kind of SHIB alternatives. Definitely does look decent. So we'll throw in the Mana video, folks. I'll load in. There we go, baby. What's up, Cheyenne? What's good, bro? I feel like I should buy the new COD, Cheyenne. I feel like it. What do you think? But yeah, guys, we got the chart back up here. Still have 11,000 Doge. Wow, that's good. Yeah, still haven't activated Windows. I know, I built this PC and I haven't activated it because I'm lazy. How you doing, Clement? Yeah, I do not think SHIB's going to hit a cent, guys. I can see it shaving off a 0. You're buying Vanguard? This is the first COD I haven't bought on launch night in years, man. Yeah, Walker, you bet. Got to throw on that same image. I think SHIB will go up. Personally, I do. By the way, guys, make sure to drop a like on the stream. I'm doing great, Clement. What you up to tonight, man? Star Atlas, I love it. One of my favorites. I don't own it, but I wish I did. I feel like I need to own it very soon. Drop a like, guys. If you guys want to help me continue to make this my job, hitting this like button would be appreciated. Now, I'm streaking the two things I care most, and seems done both correct. That's great. That's awesome. I feel like I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it for recreation, just to have a hobby these days, you know? Smash that like button, everybody. Keep me entertained. I appreciate it, Steve. I am here to entertain. I think I will, Shine. I think I will, man. Drop this like button, guys. We're one away from 500, everyone. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino, guys. Drop it a follow. I have not heard much about Amazon these days. 516, baby. Do it. 516 likes. Guys, we have just hit 37,000 subscribers. So thank you all, man. I appreciate it. We have just hit 37K, guys. You all are the best, man. Matt, Solana will be the first major conference. Networks history. Yeah, I could see it pumping then for sure. Yeah. Thank you, Trevor. Appreciate it, man. I think so, Shine. I think so. Hard to believe, man. Hard to believe. SHIB to 1 cent? I don't think so. I really don't think so. I don't talk about all the exchanges I use. For some reason, I don't know. I just don't feel like I'm talking about the exchanges I use. And I hit 300. I think like 24K, Steve. Something like that, man. Yeah, it was crazy, man. Thumbnails got to be you smiling, thinking. I guess those are the 3 thumbnails. Yeah, I guess, right? Virtual pup game list on Google Play. I don't know if those like SHIB video games have always like the biggest impact. You know, a lot of times those like SHIB video games are not very like big. Subscribe and like. Thank you, Benjamin. I appreciate it, man. Dogelon Mars. Okay, sure. Oh wow. God. Overpowered SHIB class setup. You bet. You bet. Guys, I don't think it's in his cent. I'm sorry, guys. I just don't. A week. Yeah, Steve, it's been amazing, man. It's been amazing. All right. No, that's SHIB. Hold on. All right, you Dogelon Mars people. All right. Doing technical analysis on like a meme coin like this is just like so hard, man. Something like this, man. Man, God. How do you even do technical analysis on a meme coin, man? So again, it kind of looks like just like a single bottom, like a little V-shaped recovery. I mean, is it possible that you see something like this? I mean, I guess 1 billion market cap. Stake SHIB? I actually don't know how to. I've never staked SHIB, unfortunately. Harriet, how you doing? Welcome. I don't know, man. Are you guys seeing any like patterns here? I mean, I'm seeing like a single bottom and a pump up, but in regard, I mean, normally I would say like, okay, this kind of looks like a maybe like a symmetrical wedge or something, but then you have this weird like outlier here. Hard to tell, man. Compound, like the actual crypto compound. What do they do? So what do? They an ERC20 asset that empowers governance, changes protocol. It's like a government kind of thing, like a so you receive it, so the users receive it, and then they vote on like how much is given out, I guess. Looks interesting for sure. That looks interesting. I do not have the paid version of TradingView. No, I probably should get it. Oh, this is what I meant for the 1 day. So you was talking about this in my chat? The 1 day? I mean, yeah, this is nice. It's just, I feel like you're looking at a little too long of a time range. You know what I mean? I feel like your time range is just a little long. I mean, yeah, it definitely looks great. It's just, I feel like you're looking at a range that's a little too long. Good time to buy. I mean, that's up to you. I think it depends when you bought previously. Engine, of course. Gotta love Engine. Engine is one of the main, yeah, the main NFT guys. Yeah, Engine, they have NFT wallets. Yeah. They're up there. I mean, can you use this with Solana? Can you use... Oh, they have a metaverse fund. That's crazy. Can you use this with Solana? I don't know. But definitely looks good, though, man. Definitely looks really, really good. Up 100. Nice, nice. .05? What reaching 0.05? They power a lot of the games coming out? That's awesome. VThor. I think, yeah, we saw it earlier. It was following VeChain. Philly, I appreciate it too, man. It was following VeChain. Again, I feel like you would tie it to VeChain. If VeChain's successful, that will be. For 3 to 5 years. Solana. I think Solana for 3 to 5 years. Solana, SHIB. And I can't recommend any. I'm not a financial advisor, but my personal opinion, Solana, SHIB. Solana, SHIB, Chainlink, Zoot. Very small. So it's like the meme token, the meme token of meme tokens. Possible. I mean, don't look bad. Don't look bad. Face to the name, which is nice. Donations, charity stuff. Looks good to me, man. I don't have an issue with this. Very risky, but how about Shiba? Sure. So again, SHIB looks like really for the weekend here. Again, I could see it sliding a little bit, or for the next really day, I could see it sliding like this and then having a bullish move. That is me. I could see it sliding and have a bullish move. Something like that. That is what I could see personally happening. Is it too late to jump into Solana? I don't think so. But you snagged mana today at intriguing me talk about Dragon Ball Z. Hey, I'm glad Shine. Amp looked good. I remember we looked at Amp. I forgot what Amp did. Yeah, Amp definitely. I love Wolf, man. I got Wolf at 1. I got Wolf at 1/6 of where we are now. Amp. I remember talking about Amp. What does Amp do? They're the ones that do collateral. Yeah. Amp, collateralizing asset transfers. So digital payments, fiat currencies. Okay, transferring, sending. So, you know, crypto, PayPal or whatnot, you know. Yeah, these guys look good for sure. Stake it. Yeah, Amp definitely looks good, man. Definitely does look good. Solana. Woof, you can get Woof on radium.io. With a cup on Amp. Let me see again. Yeah, I see it. I do see it. Dogecoin, let's say it's have a run. I love Solana. Love Solana, man. Love it, man. Love it. Definitely do love Solana, man. Nah, you talk about SHIB, Carl. Sure, man. Again, I could see it sliding. I could see it sliding in a little bit more. I could see SHIB sliding somewhere down to like 55 and then having a bull move. That is what I could see. Solana's been flat for a while. Yes, it looks like, though, people realize how great it is. I love Solana, man. Love it, love it, love it. Metallica, of course, of course. Halo Infinite, probably. I love Halo. I feel like I need to get that. Auction. Very small. What do they do? Decentralized auctions. Definitely looks unique. Different chains. So you can build an auction and people can auction with Ethereum and BNB and whatnot. Hey, Lenny Liang, how you doing? A friends only channel? I'm not sure what you mean. Yeah, you mean OnlyFans? I'm not an OnlyFans. Volatile fan. Solana. So let's get the mana. The tiny at mana probably. How you doing, Lenny? The time for mana was probably yesterday, to be honest. But I could see it hitting 350 here. I'm using Chrome. Game credits. So if you have $200, personally, this is me, not a financial advisor. $200. Again, auction looked good. Auction looked awesome. In fact, you'd auction with different chains, yes. If you had $200, I would take the $200 and put it into an asset that can make you money, like a business, like something that can generate cash flow, like a business, something entrepreneurial. That is what I would do with that $200. Instead of putting it in a crypto, you can put that $200 into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin would have to hit 120,000 for you to make your another $200. Dogecoin looks like it's going to explode soon, I think, personally. Game credits, what do they do? Oh, metaverse stuff. Original gaming crypto, 2014. Wow. Yeah, I mean, this looks good for sure. Wow, they've been around a while, man. Wow, they had a run back in 2018. They had a run. Oh my goodness, look at the bear market on this. Jeez. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, Shine, that might be free. What's up, man? But yeah, Dogecoin again. I do see Dogecoin doing really well. Yeah, the Facebook meta world. I dislike Mark Zuckerberg as much as the next guy, but I mean, it looks like he sparked something with this. Rev. On Ethereum. Motorsport. What is this? Play to earn. Peter with the 5. I appreciate it, 5. Appreciate it, Peter. BCMC blockchain monster hunt. Let us see. Find and hunt NFTs. Multiple chains. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. This definitely looks pretty cool. A lot of faces on the team. What's up, Brandon? Oh, my frames like my glasses? I actually don't. I have no idea, to be honest with you. Prada? I think Prada? Prada. If that's true for how you doing, Dalton? Dogecoin at 50 cents. Probably would need kind of like Doge at 50 cents would probably need like to kind of finish this little falling wedge here, which it looks like it's going to finish very soon. It looks like it's to finish the falling wedge very, very soon, guys. But yeah, everybody, I'm probably going to head to bed, folks. I appreciate you all coming on by and watching. I really do appreciate it, guys. Here is my Twitter, link into the chat. Definitely go check it out, guys, and I appreciate all the love. If you're new here, guys, let me know if you are new, by the way. Drop a like and subscribe. It does help, guys. Every sub does help. I appreciate it so much. Trying to make this my career, so I appreciate every single person here, guys. Again, you all are amazing. I do have an Instagram. It's actually my same name. I love you, Trevor. See ya, Soccer. Much love, dude. S, have a great one. Guys, Discord link is in chat as well. Join that up, guys. Join up the Discord link, folks. Thank you, Carl, guys. We'll be back tomorrow, everyone. Prediction for end of the year? Probably shaving off a 0. I think safely shaving off a 0. Thank you, guys, for all the love. I'm going to give you 1 sub. Thank you, everybody. Much love, everyone. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Great channel. Thank you very much. Javier, Sid. Kishu, before I leave, sure. Kishu, I have a bit of Kishu. Looks like it's doing good. Looks like one of the better SHIB alternatives. Very volatile, but, you know, my IG is the same as my Twitter. Matt Garbarino, same as my Twitter. So yeah, guys, you have a wonderful night, everybody. Thank you all for coming on by, guys. Hope you guys have a great night. New video will be out in a couple of hours. All right, guys? Peace, everyone.